Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope all is well. So I wanted to go ahead and give you guys some other tips about my YouTube journey, because I went ahead and looked over the analytics and went into a little bit more detail, and I really learned some things, and it was quite interesting. I am going to go more in depth in my analytics when I actually have the time to fully sit there and look. But I always like to make sure, I'm that type of person, I like to make sure when I'm doing something, I'm doing it correct, because there's an end game. We all know I have goals on the reason why I'm on YouTube. Yes, I like doing it. Yes, I like showing up. Yes, but I am putting time and effort into it. So I want to make sure your goal was to start getting paid, being a YouTube partner, and you know the word I can't pronounce correctly or whatever. We might have to turn the other way. So we had goals. We have goals when we get into this. So it's good to look at your analytics, which you can see in the YouTube My Studio. Very informative, goes into great detail of what you need to do and what you can improve on. So that kind of lets you know about the whole thumbnail, how are your views doing, and everything like that. But the best part about once you join the partnership is that you will now see how much advertisers pay for those videos, each video. So I have a video out there, and you'll be able to, you can click on it. I'm trying to do like all the editing, look up there. But anyway, child, if you don't see it, the link is in the description, okay? Because I'm trying to learn this thing right now. So there's one video I have where an advertiser, excuse me, y'all, will pay $52 per 1,000 views. Now I have to research, is it per 1,000 views on that video? Well, yeah, it is that video, but that video is not any drama. It's not one of my reaction videos. It's $52. I have some other videos where they'll pay $32, $19. So I really think last night on my live, I said I was going to stop reacting to, not as much to certain people, because it's a lot mentally. And I think the reason why God had to show me, like, hey, this type of content, they pay very well for being positive, putting stuff out there. If you continue with this rhetoric, are you walking in your purpose? Yes, calling her out on her foolishness, I get it, and I'm still gonna do it. But am I going to be doing it daily? No. Sir, you definitely just ran a red light. Wow, I'm confused. Okay. Okay, whatever. But definitely going to take the time to really look at the content I'm putting out there. So when I get back after my birthday, I will really be looking. But I'm just saying this to say, if you want to start a channel, get YouTube Studio, My Studio, whatever it's called, and you can get it on your phone, but it's best to do it on your computer and or laptop, like a computer. So you can still, you have it on your phone to see your analytics. I check them or whatever, because I'm a numbers person. I am a numbers person at the end of the day. Math major, when I originally, that's what I was, not anymore, but that's what I went to school for, math. So I'm numbers, statistics. I'm gonna break it down. I'm gonna know, okay, so you got to do this to do this to do that. That's how I am. I'm real, you got to have a purpose. So I think God just said, hey, daughter, I'm proud of you. He's not going to take that away from me. He said, I'm proud of you, but I want you to remember your purpose. I want you to remember your why, and I'm going to show you. because I never even went this deep onto my analytics. I've always looked at them, and but now Saturday changed everything. Oh, it's money tied to each video. And when I look to see, it breaks down how much they'll pay for 1,000 per that video. You get your average. And that's why I guess some of mine keep going up or whatever. Because like I said, I started at $12, $13, $14 per 1,000 views. Which, if you get 2,000 to 3,000 a day, that's 28, 42 dollars and stuff like that. So, my goal is to get, by the end of this year, really be ranking in close to 15,000 views per day. That's my goal. It's aggressive, I know, so we'll see. And I just said that, so we'll see. But it is possible. It is doable. You do get your benefits from going live, like I explained, showing up in the camera, going live, not using so much of a third-party app, even though those still did good. But the ones where I am actually live through the YouTube app, those are getting paid like almost, some of them are $19, some of them are $22 per 1,000 views. So some of those videos, by the end, I'm getting close to, now that's why I'm trying to boost it up, because some of them I get close to, like the one last night, it's already at like 2.5, and that counts, with the new money or whatever. So my old ones, unless, people are replaying them, which I'm not getting replay 1,000, this far out, because they feel like, hey, that's old news, and that's what you have to be careful of when you are a reaction page. Even though I do see some reactions coming up, 3 months later, a year later, and people will go back and watch them if they're new to that person to say, oh, let me see what's going on. But a lot of people, they want what's hot, what's now, what the person got going on now. So you have to be mindful of that. You might get, 100 to 200 views of people watching your old reaction videos per day, which adds up, but you really got to have, some oomph behind it and why. And then, you got to think about it when that person's no longer relevant. What's your next step? What's your next step? That's why I said I want to react to more. Like, I want to react to reality shows, because I love reality shows. And let me tell you, my family used to have a conversation. We used to talk, my homegirl. They used to be like, Nicole, you are crazy, because, baby, I be laughing like carrying the grandaunt, just all that. We be having a good time. So I'm going to bring that to YouTube. I'm going to bring that part of my personality to YouTube. I also want to keep continuing to inspire, empowering, encouraging women. Like, I don't want to be on this app all the time feeling like I'm down in a woman. You know what I'm saying? Even though I always say I want her to do well and stuff like that. But I'm not going to sit up here and continuously point out her flaws when I know I got flaws as well. I'm not perfect. And like I said yesterday, it was just mentally triggering, draining. When you ain't about your kids, that's where I'm like, I can't do it. So yeah, so my video 52. Let you know, baby. Let me go ahead and get them videos out so I can go ahead and make that money, honey. That's where it's at. Oh, these went. Yeah, so really, when you start your page, find your sector, find what you like. I still do like, the Tasha K, Wendy Williams vibe or whatever, but I want to keep my videos. My lives, they always gonna be random, off the chain, reacting, blah blah blah. But my videos, I'm gonna keep them encouraging, keep y'all on the journey with me as far as like what it started, my dental, my search for a temporary home. Y'all finna help me to find love, all that kind of stuff. I'm turning 40, like, I'm letting people go. Finally gonna be able to tell, what I let go of, moving on, closing chapters, and everything like that. So yeah, this YouTube journey, like I said, I'm gonna share whatever little information I get so y'all can be up on it. But y'all have a good one. Bye.